This is the Mountfield SP53H. This machine represents fantastic value for money. It comes equipped with a Honda GCV 160 engine, overhead cam engine, and it's got a 51 centimetre cutting width. It comes feature packed with mulching kit, and it can also rear discharge and collect the grass as well. So it's a 3-in-1 machine. At the moment it's set up as a grass collector, so it's throwing the grass into the box. But what we can do is we can remove the grass bag, put it to one side, drop down the rear flap, and now it's just going to rear discharge the grass behind the machine as you cut it, so if you've got long grass that you want to get under control. Also supplied in the box with this machine, you get a mulching plug. Now the mulching plug fits in the back of the machine quickly and simply and gives you a nice collected finish on the lawn, but without collecting the grass. So a nice feature on this machine, we put a massive 60-litre grass collector. And also on the grass collector, we have the grass bag full warning indicator. So as you can see, this machine's fitted with larger rear wheels. The larger rear wheels are fitted so that you can cope with the undulations in the ground a lot better. Also, fitted to the rear wheel, we have the height of cut adjustment. This goes from 27mm all the way up to 90mm, and it goes into 5 different settings. And as you can see, it's very simple, smooth, and easy to use. So the large rear wheels really help with the undulation in the ground, but what we also have with this machine is a front anti-scalp plate. So the front anti-scalp plate will make sure that the front of the machine doesn't dig into the lawn and scalp the grass.
For peace of mind, the Mountfield SP53H, subject to annual servicing, has a 3-year manufacturer's warranty, and as such is supported by the ServiceLink helpline and 600 approved ServiceLink dealers across the UK and Ireland.